Good morning, everyone. Measures of dispersion, chapter number 4 in statistics, in which we have covered range and the coefficient of range, quartile deviation and the coefficient of quartile deviation for different types of frequency distribution, ungrouped data, discrete series, continuous series. Now we are going to see a new topic, that is mean deviation and the coefficient of mean deviation for discrete type of frequency distribution. Time in minutes and number of the time is given. Time 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 minutes and number of the typing is frequency 2, 8, 12, 8, 2. Frequency total, F and frequency total means 32, 2, 8, 12, 8, 2. These are the time, minute means value of the variable. If the value of the variable complete integer and single value, then it is known as discrete type frequency distribution. Now we have to prepare one table. This is the table, required table. Value and frequency. Then arithmetic mean can be calculated by two ways, direct method and shortcut method. Here we make use of shortcut method. Take one of the value, that is 12, assuming subtract 12 from each value. 12 minus 12, it becomes 0. 11 minus 12, it becomes minus 1. 10 minus 12, minus 2. 13 minus 12, plus 1. 14 minus 12, plus 2. Multiplication with the frequency. This column should be multiplied by F, frequency. 2 multiplied by 2 means 4 with sign, minus plus minus. 8 into minus 1, minus 8. 0 multiplied by any number, 0. 1 into 8, 8. 2 to 4. Make the total of FD. Here we have to make the total of 3 columns. Frequency total, that is N. N means sigma F 32. Total of FD 0. Sigma F into D 0. Arithmetic mean this way. X1 is given by A plus sigma F into D upon N. A means 12. Total of FD 0. 0 divided by any number 0. N means total frequency, it is 32. 12 plus 0, 12 minutes. X bar is 12 minutes. Now, this measure is known as mean deviation. Mean deviation means taken from mean. Deviation means difference. But this is the absolute type, means modulus sign x minus x bar. Now subtract 12 from each of the value and make it positive, because this is modulus sign or absolute sign. X minus x bar in modulus sign. 10 minus 12 minus 2, but in the modulus it becomes plus 2. 11 minus 12 minus 1, but if modulus sign is there, it becomes plus 1. 12 minus 12 0. 13 minus 12 1. 14 minus 12 2. Once again this multiply by 2 to 4, 8 1 8, 0 into 12 0, 1 into 8 8, 2 to 4. Total of the last column 24. Frequency total and 32. Last column total 24. This is discrete type of frequency distribution table and calculation of mean deviation. See, this is just little division of the last chapter. If you have studied and you have practiced chapter number 3, measures of central value, then it is a part of chapter 3. It is a part of chapter 3. Only the new thing is these two columns. Only the new thing. But up to this, it is the revision of the last chapter. Right? We have studied mean, median, mode, quartile, decile, percentile for ungrouped data, for discrete series, for continuous series in the previous chapter. So we practice very well. This way N and arithmetic mean. Now only the formula is required. Mean deviation, it is known as average. Sigma F into modulus sign x minus x bar upon N. N means frequency total. Total of the last column 24. Total of the last column 24 upon N means frequency total 32. 24 upon 32. 8 3 8 4 3 by 4 means 0.75. call this as answer number 1. And the coefficient of mean deviation is nothing but MD upon x bar, means mean deviation upon arithmetic mean. And mean deviation is 0.75 and mean is 12. 0.75 upon 12. The division is 0.0625, or it is approximately 0.06. Mean deviation, call this as answer number 1. Coefficient of mean deviation, call this as answer number 2. This is what about mean deviation? Various measures of dispersion, range, QD, MD. Range and its coefficient, quartile deviation and its coefficient, mean deviation and its coefficient. This is the important measure. In the next lecture, we are going to study same thing, mean deviation, but for the continuous data series, for the continuous frequency distribution. We practice very well from our textbook, exercise, illustrations, PDF, or whatever may be assignments or practice book you have. Right? Thank you everybody. See you.